Delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, which is just being finished off with some sesame seeds, stir fry, chicken and broccoli. Really easy. Got some wonderful flavours in there. Doesn't take that long. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients that we've got. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut nice and thin. Broccoli, cut nice and thin as well, you don't want that too thick. Garlic and ginger, light soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, onions. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of pan or a wok or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using corn oil or something like that, canola, up to you. We're going to start off by dropping in our sliced onion. And our chicken. Like I say, the chicken's been cut nice and thin, so it'll cook really quite quickly. And yeah, lively, high heat. Keep this moving for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so that's like 4 minutes. As you can see, the chicken's completely changed colour. The onions have started to cook really nicely. So at this point, we're now going to add in our garlic and ginger, nice fresh garlic and ginger into the mix. Going to be adding here some black pepper. I'm not adding any salt because the salt content is going to come from our soy and especially from our fish sauce. Fish sauce is very, very salty. So staying on this lively heat, we've now just added the black pepper, the garlic and the ginger. Let's go for another 2 to 3 minutes. Fantastic, coming together beautifully now. Okay, time now for our broccoli. And again, I've cut that quite small, some of them thicker than others. Now I like to retain a nice bit of crunch on the broccoli, so I'm not going to cook it for a crazy amount of time. What I am going to do now is just add a little bit of water, not too much. And that will burn off and steam and just help the broccoli just cook that much faster. So it's going to take about 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. All of that liquid will evaporate. Okay, so as you can see, all of that moisture's gone. Now before we add more moisture, because we're going to add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, a little touch of water and the fish sauce, just let it kind of fry a little bit, about another 2 minutes, then we're pretty much done. Really absolutely wonderful. Fantastic. Okay, a couple of extras, optional extras. I'm going to put in some large cut, or just down the middle, chilli. It works quite nice. And then let's get in that oyster sauce. The fish sauce, which is very salty, don't go crazy with that. The light soy. little bit of water. Give this a mix and stay on this vibrant heat. Lovely. We are done. Now what you can do is at the end just put in some green onion tops or spring onions, whatever you call them. And I like just to add a little bit of sesame seed into the mix. You could be putting some fresh coriander or cilantro in this if you wanted. Off goes the heat, give that a mix, and we are done. We've got a really wonderful chicken broccoli stir fry there. Very simple. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do click that bell icon just below for notifications, please. That will keep you up to date with what's going on at the channel. That is it. Enjoy. White rice, beautiful with that. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?